In this free 1-hour webinar, we will show how Monte Carlo simulation is used for practical decision-making regarding risks of an organization or a project. With IziRisk and Excel add-in, you easily build powerful and intuitive models that account for frequency and severity of added risks. What is the total money value of risks calculated with different levels of confidence? What are the main risks worth mitigating? How much to invest in mitigation to reduce future losses? How to calculate contingency reserves given a confidence level? The real purpose of risk management is to answer these important questions and help in decision making, not necessarily just coloring cells in a matrix. In this free webinar, I will show you how to take these first steps in risk quantification with IziRisk. Make it easy. Sign up with a link in the first comment.